You have, I told you, there's this doctor from UCLA. He came in a little bit in the class. He said, I'm busy, I'm a doctor, UCLA, and all this good stuff. I said, thank you. I think being a doctor is the most noble profession. My sister is a doctor in Los Angeles. Her husband is a doctor. And I said, this is great. Thank you for coming. He said, by the way, I want some of these Ohio properties. Some of these? How many would you like? 6. So he came in, he came out. If that was a referral that you brought in, that's $12,000 for you. So you come to Puerto Rico, you pay $30,000, and I'm including everything and giving all that. If you sold 15 properties, which could be 2 customers or 3 customers, you got your money back and we have a relationship for life. My life, not yours. I don't know how long you're going to live. Are you with me? Finally, GBA Corp is Global Business Association. That's the tax structure. That's how you attract the wealthy. So you could come in new in the business and somebody who has been 30 years fund manager, and you're both pitching the same client. You have an unfair advantage. You're telling that client, you're accredited, you're making good money, I'll show you how to save money and invest the difference. They'll say, come again? We have a tax incentive. See, somebody's going to go invest right now. It's unbelievable. Are you with me, so?